Silicone rubber is a high-performance polymer, known for its outstanding electrical insulation, high dielectric strength, 2040 cuvee or mm, extreme volume resistivity, 10 cm, hydrophobic surface, self-cleaning and anti-pollution, unmatched durability against UV, ozone and temperature, extremes from 60 CTO plus to 00C, elasticity and vibration damping, up to 50% lighter than ceramic, easier to install and maintain, quick on-site repair. Silicone rubber, the modern choice for reliable, long-lasting insulation. CECI, powering safety with innovation.